Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can customize your opportunity pipelines within Command. So first we want to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. Once we're logged in, we're going to navigate to the Opportunities applet, which I am already in, but the Opportunities applet is going to be on our left-hand menu, and it's going to be the two hands shaking right here. So once we are in here, we are going to see our different phases and stages. So right now we're seeing the different pipelines, which are broken down by listings, buyers, or leases. And from there, each of these is called a phase. So we have cultivate, appointment, active, under contract, and closed. So all of these are going to stay the same. You'll have the same three pipelines. You'll have the same phases within each of them. However, if you open up one of these phases, you're going to see all of these different stages within that opportunity. And you have the option to edit these. And you can go through and you can edit it for each of the phases within your pipeline. But right now we can see what we currently have in here. We'll see the different opportunities. You'll see how many opportunities are in that phase, the percentage, or that stage rather, I'm sorry. You'll see the percentage, which is the likelihood that opportunity is going to close, which the further you go through this process, the more likely it is to close. If you want to edit those stages, add new stages, or delete existing ones, or edit them, you're just going to click Stages and Checklists up here in the top right corner. And from there, we can drag and drop this order around if we'd like. We also have the option to go in and edit them individually. So we can change the name and the probability if we'd like. And we can save it. We can also delete these individual stages, or we can add a new stage with our stage name and the probability of it to close. You can go ahead and create tasks for that stage. And we do have another video that walks you through how to create those checklists and edit them and things like that. You can feel free to check that out. And then you're just going to click save. And you'll see that go into effect right here. And you can drag and drop these around. You can go ahead and you can delete them, edit them, whatever you'd like to do. You can go view the checklists for each of those and add tasks there directly. So you can go through and you can grab those. And you can say cancel or save, whichever you do. And that is how you do that. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Have a great day.